everyone here, to all employers here. I would like to introduce myself. My appearance here, I am Rizal Serrano. I live in Quezon City, Manila, Philippines. I'm 37 years old. My birthday is July 9, 1988. My place of birth is Cavite City, Samar. I'm married already. I have 7 siblings. Age of all is 17, 15, 13, 10, 8, 12, and 3 years old. My first experience, I worked in Saudi Arab country for DH country, Saudi Arab country, DH, since 27, 2019. I finished my contract here and I hope you choosing me to work of you for finish my contract with you. I know how to wash clothes and ironing the clothes and how to take care of your babies, newborn babies, and I hope Madam and Sir choosing me to work with you to finish my contract to working of you.